Alright, welcome back, guys. Here's the apparatus that I did wind up using to put the low reverse spring cage in, spring assembly. It's a turnbuckle, and as you can see by the tape measure, it's about 13 inches overall. It's got one nut, one washer there, and it's approximately 3/8 all thread. And sorry about that, it's 6 inches on your plate that stops at the tailpiece, so you can get that out. You can make it 8 or whatever you want, and I centered the hole. And then you got a hook there, and this is 4.5 inches across. Your bolt is 4.5 inches across, and you have a nut on inside, outside on each arm. Each arm is got a C type thing, and those are about 2.5 inches, 2.25 inches total. And the height on these is just a little bit over 6.5 tall, maybe. And your center of the hole is probably 5.5. So if you want to make one of those to get your low reverse out, that would work. And if you got a wooden workbench like mine, I got this hole for my input. Anyway, you can stick that up through there, hook it on through the transmission standing up, hook it onto that, tighten your bottom bolt, your nut up. That'll pull the spring cage tight, and it'll be easy peasy from there. Trust me, this is the best way to do it. I may have to manufacture these, so don't try to manufacture them unless it's just for yourself, because I'm gonna copyright this now. It's video copyrighted for my patented invention that I'm using to put in low reverse springs. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. As always, have a good day. Peace.